Hello, my name is Jack and I'm from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this brand new Audi.
So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi A3 Saloon S-Line, a 35 TFSI with the S-Tronic automatic transmission. This particular vehicle is also finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paint, which has really given this vehicle that standout appearance. Furthermore, this vehicle does also feature the S-Line trim level, which is add the sporty styling at the front, the side and also at the rear with that fantastic rear diffuser, as well as you do get the chrome elements such as the window surrounds and the badging around the vehicle. Moving on now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional S-Line specific 18-inch 5 Y-spoke Apos design graphite grey alloys, and they do really stand out against that lovely grey paint. To the side of the vehicle there is the rear privacy glass, in which does keep the rear occupants from view, so as continuing this lovely contrast. Moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Saloon now, we do find an impressive 425 litres of boot capacity. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is folded down to present two useful cup holders, as well as the Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, where there's also more than enough leg space to accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the S-Line model, again it does mean you get these full leather seats which are of a sporty design and do feature the white stitching and the Audi Sports logo. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. On either side of this you do find the ability to access your telephone connectivity, satellite navigation and media as well. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which in this case does display the satellite navigation. There's also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And just below this we find the equally impressive dual zone climate control. It is very easily adjustable and is on a clear LED display.
This vehicle does come with a 3 years manufacturer's warranty and a 3 years roadside assistance. For more information, do contact us now on 01785 899 417 or inquire online.